Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when controller is not working with Construction Simulator game on your Windows computer. Now the first step is to restart the game. If the game is running, close the game and then restart the game and then check the controller. Next step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart takes care of the problem. So restart your computer and after the system restart, check the controller. Next step is to disable Steam input. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So try this. Go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select properties, and then go to controller tab. By default, use default settings would be selected over here. Select disable Steam input. Now launch the game and then check. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So go to controller and select disable input. If this does not work, you can also try enable Steam input and check which one is working fine for you. For many users, disabling Steam input has worked, so try this first. Next step is to unplug all external USB devices. So if you have additional controller connected to the computer, disconnect external controller from the computer. Also disconnect these devices. So if you have any additional USB adapter or USB devices connected to the computer which you are not using, disconnect it and then launch the game. Next step is to configure the controller. For this, go to Steam, click on Steam, go to settings. Now go to controller tab. Now click on general controller settings. Now if you have PlayStation controller, then put a check on PlayStation configuration support. If you have Xbox controller, then put a check on Xbox configuration support. So if you have Xbox, select Xbox configuration support. Now if you have PlayStation controller, then put a check on PlayStation configuration support and check which one is working fine for you. So configure your controller and then check the controller. Next is to launch Steam in big picture mode and then launch the game. For this, on the top right over here, you can see the big picture mode icon. So click on big picture mode icon. Now go to library, then go to games. Now click on construction simulator game. Now click on play. So try launching the game in big picture mode and then check the control. Now still you're facing the problem, then launch Steam in big picture mode once again. On the top right, again click on the big picture mode icon. Click on continue. Now go to library once again. Click on the game. Now click on manage game. Now go to controller options. Now by default, global settings would be selected. You can select forced off first. Click on OK. Now launch the game. Still you're facing the problem, then go to controller options once again. This time select forced on and then click on OK and check which one is working fine for you. So try both forced off and forced on and check which one is working fine for you. Now the last step is for PS5 controller users. So you can try installing these two software and check which one is working fine. So for many user, installing reWASD or DS4 Windows controller software has worked, so you can try this. So one of the steps should help you to get the controller working with the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.